Most people think hacking only happens through apps or downloads. But in reality, a single PDF file, image, or malicious link can sometimes become the entry point for a cyber attack. And in 2026, attackers are using smarter social engineering techniques than ever before. Today, we'll explore how hackers attempt to exploit PDF files, images, and links to target Android devices, and more importantly, how you can protect yourself. This video is strictly for cybersecurity awareness and educational purposes only. Let's begin. First, malicious PDF files. PDFs look harmless. People open them every day for invoices, resumes, reports, and bank documents. But attackers can hide dangerous content inside specially crafted PDF files. In some cases, malicious PDFs may contain embedded scripts, exploit outdated PDF readers, or redirect users to phishing websites. Cybercriminals often disguise these files as urgent bank statements, job offers, delivery receipts, or government notices to trick users into opening them quickly. Once opened, the victim may unknowingly install malware, expose sensitive information, or grant dangerous permissions. That's why security experts always recommend keeping PDF readers updated and avoiding files from unknown sources. Now let's talk about malicious links. This is one of the most common attack methods used today. Hackers create fake login pages, cloned websites, or malicious download pages designed to look completely legitimate. These links are usually spread through SMS messages, emails, social media, QR codes, or messaging apps. A victim clicks the link, and suddenly they're redirected to a fake banking page, a credential-stealing website, or a malware download disguised as an update. Some phishing links are so realistic that even experienced users struggle to identify them. Attackers often use URL shorteners, fake domains, or lookalike characters to make dangerous links appear trustworthy. For example, a fake website may replace a single letter in a popular domain name, and most users never notice the difference. That's why cybersecurity professionals always verify URLs carefully before entering passwords or downloading files. Now here's something many people don't know. Even image files can sometimes be used in cyber attacks. Normally, images like PNGs or JPGs are harmless. But attackers may hide malicious payloads using techniques like steganography, where data is secretly embedded inside image files. In advanced attacks, malware can download hidden instructions or encrypted payloads concealed inside seemingly innocent pictures. Some attacks also exploit vulnerabilities in outdated image processing software. This is why keeping Android devices and applications updated is extremely important. Now let's discuss Android APK attacks. Many hackers combine malicious links with fake APK files. Victims receive messages like, "Your package delivery failed. Install this urgent security update. Watch this shocking video." The moment the APK is installed, the attacker may gain access to contacts, messages, camera permissions, or banking information. This type of malware has become increasingly common on unofficial app stores and fake websites. That's why downloading apps only from trusted sources is critical. Another major attack method is social engineering. In most cases, hackers don't actually hack devices directly. Instead, they manipulate people psychologically. Fear, urgency, curiosity, or excitement are commonly used to pressure victims into clicking dangerous links or opening suspicious files. A fake warning message saying, "Your account will be deleted in 24 hours, can often be more effective than advanced malware itself. Because human error is still the weakest link in cybersecurity. So how can you protect yourself? First, never open unexpected PDF files or attachments from unknown senders. Second, always verify website URLs carefully before entering passwords. Third, avoid downloading APK files from random websites or Telegram groups. Fourth, keep your Android device, browser, and apps updated regularly. Fifth, use strong antivirus and mobile security tools. And finally, think before you click. That single habit can prevent most cyber attacks. In 2026, cybersecurity is no longer optional. Every smartphone contains personal photos, banking apps, private conversations, and digital identities. And attackers know that. The good news is this: awareness is your first line of defense. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more cybersecurity awareness, ethical hacking, and privacy content. And comment below, what type of cyber attack do you think is the most dangerous today? Stay alert. Stay secure. Stay ethical.